Ain't got really feel me. Jealous, say what? Dirty South. Here we go. Ain't got really feel me, baby girl.
Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing Zury Sis Diva wig. Got it in the color number 1, and this is a 13x5 free parting lace wig. And it has this cute little design in the front. I got the idea from Chrissy Jaye, Miss Chrissy Jaye. I'll link her channel below. She styled this wig with some cute butterfly clips, so I'm gonna try this out. If you're interested and you enjoy these type of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. We're almost at 200 subscribers, so thank you for everyone who's been leaving great comments and liking the videos. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the wig right here. I'm loving the crimps. I love the crimpy wig, and I got it in the color number 1. I'm going to show you a close-up of the hairline. The hairline looks very thin and natural. The only thing I'm concerned about is the lace is really light, so I'm going to have to add some foundation to match my skin tone.
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you. For the reason I'm going out of mind, just without again.
I added the foundation, and I also wanted to tell you that this wig has 2 clips on the sides. It has a lash adjustable drawstring and a comb in the back, and it also has the adjustable straps in the back. Okay, so I just put this wig on, and off the bat I can tell you this is not big head friendly. It was a struggle to put on. I had to take my ponytail out, and I had to unloosen that adjustable drawstring. But the style is really cute. I'm loving it so far as the style and the look of it. So I'm gonna cut the lace off, and I'm gonna use my Got To Be spray to glue it down, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I glued the wig down, next I'm going to use some setting powder to put in between the parts. I'm using Ben Nye Topaz translucent powder. I'm just gonna put that in between the parts and clean up the hairline so it can look as natural as possible. And I'm mad I cut off some of the baby hairs when I was cutting the lace, but it still looks pretty good.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness.
So I just put some powder in the parts, and I think it looks really natural. This is the first way you can wear the hair. You can wear it down like this. This hair is about 22 inches. Let me show you the back. And I also added some mousse because crimps can get frizzy, and I didn't want to comb through it, so I just fluffed it out with my hands and added some mousse to it. So I'm loving it so far. This is really cute. So I'm going to do the second style that I saw Miss Chrissy Jaye do with the butterfly clips, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts.
The love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Okay, so this is the final look. I just added the butterfly clips on the top and put the hair in a high ponytail. This is giving me early 2000 vibes. I really like this wig, so I would give it an 8 out of 10. It was easy to style. The hairline is very natural. I didn't have to do much to it. The only negative, this is not big head friendly. You would have to really make sure your hair is flat if you have a lot of hair underneath. And this hair will get frizzy quick because this is a crimpy texture. So in order to preserve the crimps, I'm trying not to touch it as much, and I also use some mousse on it. So yeah, this is a really cute style. I'm loving it. And like I said, the length is about 20 to 22 inches. And it also comes in a lot of different colors. It comes in 99J, burgundy, butternut, ginger, a tie-dye color. It's really cute. Let me show you the back one more time. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.
Ain't got really feel me.